In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove leading zeros in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever imported data or copied values from another system and ended up with entries like 0123 or 0045, you know how confusing leading zeros can be when you're trying to work with real numbers. The good news is you can clean up the display quickly and make your sheet read like proper numeric data. Start by selecting the cells that contain the leading zeros. You can click and drag across a range, select an entire column by clicking its header, or use standard selection shortcuts to highlight everything you want to fix. Take a moment to include every area that needs this change so the formatting applies consistently across your data. With your cells selected, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Cells, and open the Numbers tab. This is where Calc controls how values are displayed. Even if your entries look like numbers, the way they appear on the sheet depends on the chosen format, and this is the place to change it. In the categories list, select Number. By choosing Number, you're telling Calc to display these entries as numeric values rather than as text or some other format. That means any non-significant leading zeros, those extra zeros to the left of the first non-zero digit, will no longer be shown. While you're here, you'll see additional options such as decimal places and thousand separators. Unless you specifically need decimals, you can leave the defaults as they are. The key change is simply picking number as the category. Once you've set the category to number, click OK to apply the formatting. Your selected cells should now display without the leading zeros, giving you clean, readable values that are easier to sort, filter, and calculate with. A quick note for clarity: formatting controls how values are displayed, not always how they're stored. If you still see leading zeros after this change, it often means those entries were stored as text. In that case, the display format alone won't strip the zeros because Calc is preserving the exact text you entered or imported. You would handle that scenario with a separate conversion approach. Also, if your values represent identifiers where leading zeros are meaningful, like postal codes or product codes, those are often better left as text so the zeros are preserved intentionally. That's all you need to remove leading zeros using formatting in LibreOffice Calc. Select your cells, open Format, Cells Numbers, choose Number, and confirm with OK. Your sheet is now cleaner and ready for analysis.